The future of motorhomes has arrived, and GMC just dropped a beast that rewrites everything you thought you knew about strength, luxury, and freedom on wheels. The 2026 Strongest GMC Motorhome isn't just another RV, it's a powerhouse fortress built for adventure, comfort, and unstoppable performance. Imagine combining the brute force of a heavy-duty truck, the brains of futuristic AI, and the elegance of a luxury hotel suite, all fused into one jaw-dropping machine. That's exactly what GMC has unleashed, and today, we're diving deep into this rolling legend. From the moment you see it, the Strongest GMC Motorhome makes a statement that can't be ignored. The front end is massive and commanding, featuring GMC's bold grille finished in chrome and accented by futuristic LED light blades that stretch across its muscular face. Every angle of this machine screams dominance, from the sculpted aerodynamic body to the reinforced side panels designed for durability and safety. Sitting high on adaptive all-terrain suspension and oversized rugged wheels, this isn't just a motorhome for smooth highways, it's designed to conquer mountains, deserts, and trails that would intimidate lesser machines. This is not just transportation, it's power in motion. Step inside, and the raw strength gives way to refined sophistication. GMC has transformed the interior into a mobile sanctuary that feels more like a luxury penthouse suite than a motorhome. The living space is enormous, with open-concept design and panoramic windows that flood the cabin with light and provide breathtaking views of wherever you park. Every surface is wrapped in premium leather, hand-finished wood, and brushed aluminum. The smart ambient lighting system shifts its tone throughout the day, creating a calm sunrise glow in the morning and a relaxing golden warmth at night. The cockpit is where technology and power collide. Instead of a standard dashboard, you're greeted by a digital command center that wraps around the driver with OLED displays, an augmented reality windshield, and AI-assisted navigation. GMC's autonomous driving system allows the motorhome to pilot itself on highways while adaptive suspension ensures the smoothest ride no matter the terrain. The heads-up display doesn't just show you the road, it overlays upcoming routes, real-time weather, and even highlights scenic detours so you never miss an adventure. Piloting the Strongest GMC Motorhome feels more like commanding a spaceship than driving an RV. The kitchen is a chef's dream. Designed for those who refuse to compromise on food while on the road, it includes a full-size smart refrigerator, induction cooktop, convection oven, and even a built-in espresso machine. Hidden storage compartments make use of every corner, and the smart kitchen system suggests recipes based on your stocked ingredients. Imagine making gourmet meals while parked in the middle of the wilderness, with every convenience of home right at your fingertips. The master suite takes luxury to another level. A king-sized memory foam bed rests under a panoramic skylight, letting you fall asleep under the stars or wake up to the sunrise. Integrated climate control zones let you set your perfect sleeping temperature, while soundproofing ensures absolute peace no matter what's outside. At the foot of the bed, a retractable OLED entertainment screen transforms the suite into your own private theater, complete with surround sound and immersive visuals. The bathroom is nothing short of spa-like. Heated flooring, rainfall shower with instant hot water, anti-fog vanity mirrors, and a spacious layout make it feel more luxurious than most city apartments. High-end finishes and futuristic water-saving technology ensure that you never feel limited, even when traveling off-grid. Speaking of off-grid, this is where the Strongest GMC Motorhome truly separates itself from the rest. Roof-mounted solar panels feed into a massive next-generation battery pack, giving you energy independence for days. Combined with GMC's hybrid powertrain and regenerative braking, the vehicle can power not just your motorhome but an entire off-grid camp setup. Intelligent water filtration and waste management systems make long journeys sustainable, while a rear modular storage bay is designed to carry bikes, kayaks, or even off-road vehicles. This is the kind of motorhome built for those who want to go further, stay longer, and explore without limits. What makes this GMC motorhome the strongest isn't just its physical power, but its ability to balance everything, toughness, luxury, technology, and freedom, into one seamless package. It's a vehicle that thrives in extremes, yet pampers you with comfort that rivals five-star resorts. It's as much a lifestyle statement as it is a motorhome, declaring to the world that travel doesn't mean sacrifice, it means living bigger, better, and bolder. The 2026 Strongest GMC Motorhome isn't just for road trips, it's for redefining life on the move. It's about waking up every day to a new horizon, cooking gourmet meals in the middle of nowhere, enjoying cinema-quality movie nights under the stars, and tackling terrain most people wouldn't dare to approach. It's strength, freedom, and luxury fused together in one unstoppable masterpiece. So here's the question, if you had the keys to the Strongest GMC Motorhome of 2026, where would you take it first? Would it be the remote mountains, the endless desert, the coastline, or maybe a cross-continent journey to chase the horizon? Because once you experience this motorhome, the world is no longer a destination, it's your backyard.